Annyeonghaseyo, Yorobun. This is Anthony Jarsaniba, vlogger sa South Korea. So, in this lesson guys, pre-vocabularies naman tayo ngayon. Ang i-share natin, intermediate level, episode number 1. So, ito ay 1 to 30 vocabularies. So, number 1 is yung kagebu, household account bank. Ito yung account book nyo sa bangko ng isang pamilya. Okay? Number 2 is yung kakujong, furniture shop. Number 3 is yung kakai, near or sa Tagalog ay malapit. Number 4, kakuda, to cultivate, linangin, okay, or alamin. Number 5, yung kanan, poverty, kahirapan. Number 6, yung kanulda, to bitin, para maging manipis. Okay, number 7, kanong, possibility, potentiality, posibilidad or